hold your pants so they don't fall out. What to do, peeps? So we're at the airport. It is now 12:23. Our flight is at 2:05. So we're here 2:45. 2:45. Yo, we're here very early, but it's okay. We ordered. So Kate and I have a thing. We want to try Starbucks everywhere we go.
What's
so now we're doing
specific to that country Starbucks?
So whatever specific to the country Starbucks, we try to get one order from that. So we're having coconut coffee from Starbucks. We're gonna try it. Let you know. So far we've tried salted coffee, which was chef kiss. Mint coffee was not that great, but then we still have to try egg coffee, and there's this other coffee. I can't remember. I have to check my notes because I have a list of things that you need to try. So
I've tried the matcha.
Things are coming in. Let's see. Okay. Again, so y'all, I really did this on camera before, but it wasn't recording, so I already know that it's good. Even better. Yeah, no, but it's great. It's great. How about yum? Cheers. Colors, we go. Guys, no, honestly, I was so taken aback. More that we saw, no? That we were like, maybe this. I'm sorry, but I couldn't vlog at the moment. But what is happening is we're now in Ho Chi Minh, and we booked a hotel. Well, we reserved a hotel on Booking.com. We didn't pay. When we came, so we got a grand lobby. However, the lobby that we've walked into, first of all, we had to take our bags up this. And then when we came in, this is the lobby. So we're trying to find a different hotel to stay in now because the room is not what we said it was before. So it's not just us, right? It's not just us. And then there's this other lady here. So when she heard, bro, first of all, when she came in, so Pauline had left, so it was just me and Kamforreall in the lobby. And then this other girl, obviously of color, comes in, and the guy's like, "Oh, is this your friend?" Me and Kamforreall were like, "No." Bro, even no. Did you see the look that she gave? She was like, come on now. Not because we're all black. So then she heard me telling the guy that, sorry, we can't booking because the pictures are giving catfish. It's showing one thing and it's another. So she's just like, yeah, no, I need to see the room as well. So she's upstairs now seeing the room. We don't know this lady, but I can tell from the way she came in that she saw the same pictures that we saw. Pauline said, yeah. Pauline was like, no, it's okay. She said, it's okay, it's okay. It's fine, girl. It's okay, girl. Ain't no fault. We win some, we lose some. We lost this one, we take the L, but we ain't staying here. Vaya con Dios to everybody. So anyways, we'll keep you updated when we get to the new hotel. This is what the lobby is supposed to look like. And I just showed you what the lobby actually looks like. This is the hotel, you people. She take the pastel. Guys, this is the hotel. Guys, this is the hotel. This is doesn't include breakfast. Guys,
we got you to that hotel. Yes.
That hotel is very nice, but
yeah, very nice. So when you come here, you can see the room first before you check in live.
Ah, okay.
If okay, you can check in that hotel.
Okay. Julio. What is it called? Cass. K-A. Stop peeking, it's a serious moment. Guys. Yeah. Oh, this is where the thing is here. The sign is here. An interesting arrival. Can we see? So, he's trying to show us another hotel that he says is nicer and is as per the picture. So we're gonna go check it out. Oh Lord, hold on. right? Because one thing, this camera is gonna stay running.
That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come and hold my love.
Can you do 5 million, 7, 5, 20?
Kisses from you is never too much. I just don't wanna stop.
Anh Di tặng ví dụ sinh nhật mới còn.
What is you doing? I'm trying to turn on all the lights. Is this it? Alright, anyways, y'all, much better, I would say. Oh, yeah, sorry. Righty. This is us. Looking better already. Thank you. You're crazy. You know, I said to Pauline, can I have Pauline? She's like, first of all, she's sitting there like this on the couch.
No, because I was looking at the pictures and
looking out the window. This Pauline looking at the window. I'm like, Pauline.
No, because I was trying to figure out on the maps. Because remember where I showed you the location? Because remember where I showed you the location? So I was trying to figure out on the maps. I was like, where is it? I was like, it's not here.
Because I'm like, this doesn't look like anything.
Yes, that's
like
why.
You know what? Yeah, that seems like it. And then he
like gaslight yourself, like
But I
yeah.
was like, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. But then he says the room. I said immediately no. I walked in. This is KK. Oh, check the bathroom. Ah!
I was trying because none of you guys said anything when we walked in, so I was like, oh.
Because I was trying to look for the pictures quickly.
No, I walked in. I also saw sandbags and cement in the chair.
Exactly.
Right. First of all,
I didn't even look.
Yo.
yeah.
On the side of the thing, though.
Yeah.
As soon as we exited out, I saw it as well.
I said,
Like, okay.
I said, huh.
No, the first thing I saw when I walked into the room was the slippers on the side.
And it's not even.
Wait, what? There were slippers?
Yes!
The plastic, you know, the plastic ones, the
slippers.
shower ones. It's not disposable shoes. I was like, no.
Okay,
And then I saw the bed was like this. I was like,
Okay.
Great. It was
not great.
it was not great. And then when he said, oh, I'll show you the next room, I said,
I felt like,
okay, so maybe you're trying to do something by showing us the ugly room or the less, and you're gonna show us the real one.
I thought it was gonna be like a different category or something.
This man shows us something
The
like different
same-
color bed head. Same room, different color bed head. I'm like, wrap it up. Wrap it up right now. No. Got love for you, but wrap it up. And then KK whispered, "Is her rubbish? You people, I don't understand." Come away. How are we gonna tell him where that's I said, what? Polly, could you give me a phone? Immediately, I was like, have you lost your mind? I said, Polly, can I give you a phone? She said, this is Polly. I said, I need to show you the pictures. Polly said, I said, immediately, I said, well, we're not staying, period. This was one of the easiest decisions I had to make in my life. Sir, we're not staying. This is the pictures that you have on the site. What we see is not
What was
that.
he saying?
He said, no, but we can show you more rooms. I said, we've seen enough to know that we're not gonna stay. We're not gonna stay, we're gonna leave, okay? So, thank you. Can you help us with your bags? Yeah.
You were.
Yeah, we're not gonna stay. Habibi, we're not gonna stay. And I said, and then he started to say something justifying it, and I said, no, but look, you can't have these pictures and have that room. You know,
doesn't match.
you cannot have this and then give people this. This is what I asked for. This is what I'm getting. No es justo. No es lo mismo.
I'm crying.
No se puede posible. It's crazy. In every language I can think of, it can't exist. We never seen this before in my entire life. So we have to go. No.
Ah, bless them.
I was filming all along. I didn't know.
When did we move? We were sitting here.
Obviously, you know this.
Hey, hi people.
Take us over.
We're gonna do a taste test. I can't even see y'all. Hold on, let me. Oh, I see you now. I still don't see you.
Oh wow, okay.
Alright, we're gonna do a taste test of different Lay's flavors. We have 3. We have Brazil barbecue pork rib.
Yes. Come on.
I don't know if it's focused.
Career.
There you go. We have baked prawn with melted cheese. Interesting.
All these flavors are like, that's not that really delicious.
And then we have nori seaweed.
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Okay.
Holly, you may like this one, the seaweed one.
Which one do we try first?
Yeah.
Seaweed? See my hand? No, this thing is about to bust open.
Cheers. Cheers. Clink, 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 clink. Yeah.
I like it.
Immediately is.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah. We like this.
It tastes like those seaweed thingies.
I don't know. It's nice.
I don't know.
Give me some of the Moorish.
Sensational. Give me some of them right now.
To be fair, this tastes like chives.
Mm-hmm.
To me, it's not like a chives vibe.
It has a seaweed aftertaste, I think. Yeah, right?
Love it. Alright.
Love
We
it.
should keep this one for last.
Yeah.
Why is this one so less? Look at it.
What did they do?
What you do?
The high price, half price. Why you do
I like
that?
the smell.
I'm not smelling it.
Just take it.
No, it tastes like. It's like seafood burger.
Oh, damn it.
It is. It's prawn. Baked prawn with melted cheese.
Ooh.
It's okay.
I don't like cheese stuff usually.
Yeah. Only if it's knickknacks.
Yeah, I'm gonna
No,
find
no.
No.
Nah.
She's spelling out. It's not that bad.
No, but
You got something over there.
no.
It just tastes like cheese.
Yeah, no.
No, but I don't like it. It's fine. I don't like cheese. but
Baby,
I
it's
don't
enough
know.
for me. It's enough for me. That one.
Sorry, baked prawn.
That's not like I was gonna do. Stop.
Oh, this better be good. Brazil barbecue pork rib.
Brazil barbecue. Does it smell like pork?
Oh my god. I don't want to be disrespectful, but that's what it
Please
tastes
be bussin'.
Cheers. Cheers.
I think I'll be going too.
Not bad.
That's nice.
Not bad at all.
I like the
Seaweed is
other
the
one
best.
first.
Second. Close second. Give me trouble right now.
Right. Good pick.
I think I can get this sesame. Why not? It has pork on the front. I'm like, yo, auntie, yeah, yeah.
You're there.
Yeah, yeah. Do not drink that yogurt, bro. You're gonna have diarrhea.
What is in the fridge? Choke, but you fear the ice.
We will be back when we're having lunch or dinner, sorry. But yeah, it's been a hectic day. Very surprising. Very much adventure filled. But we're gonna have dinner and then we're gonna call it. Yeah, less adventure please. See ya. Keeping abreast of the culture and the nightlife in Ho Chi Minh. It seems more exciting than Hanoi, and also there are more English signs. I'm thinking this is where the tourist people they come. I think we're going the wrong place, as I was saying. I think this is a touristy place. It's giving things maybe slightly more expensive because it's in English. Yeah. Everyone's just lounging like vibes. Nothing to see. Full of heels. I have, yeah, girl. Thanking you.
Listen, I broke my back just now.
You're gonna get a massage or you're gonna go to a chiropractor? Oh. Good answer. Good answer, Steve. Good answer. We're at Shar's Vietnamese restaurant. I'm thinking this is the original experience because it clearly states Vietnamese restaurant. So that's where we're chilling for tonight.
Signature cocktail. We've got
Look at that.
fried frog.
Fried frog is a no for me.
No, I'm not trying that either.
Bro, look. It says snakehead fish spring.
Oh, it's fish.
Fish.
Yeah, braised snakehead fish. Well, that's what this one says, yeah.
Oh, snakehead fish. It's a fish. But why they make it look like that?
It's like catfish.
But frog also no for me.
Frog is. They say, I haven't tried it,
no
but
for
they
me.
say that it's good. It tastes like
Chicken? I'd rather just eat the chicken.
Yeah.
Period. Listen, I'm adventurous with a lot of things. I ain't eating no frog. I'm gonna tell you that for free.
What about alligator?
I had it. I had it at your sister's thing.
Oh, so you did.
I had crocodile. What's a crocodile?
Crocodile. Yeah. That's what I meant. Crocodile.
I tried it. Ooh.
Oh yeah, what about even ostrich? Ostrich is nice, but it's tough.
Okay. Please.
Where does it actually come from?
I don't know. I think Japan. Yep. Yep.
Thank you very much.
They got it right. See, we should just stay to the stuff you know. I'm branching out. It's good.
I keep thinking I have Wi-Fi. It's really good.
Now for food. Nothing minus. Alright, we're getting beef pho. As we say, have it from the place it was made or don't say you don't like it. That's all I'm saying. I don't know what this is. There's a lot of greens, spices, and condiments. And KK also had pho. Basically, we're having matching meals. Pauline has Coca-Cola and Sprite. Oh, and Pepsi. I'm sorry, it was a glitch.
Pepsi. Barbecue sauces taste sweet.
Anyways, oh, should we wait for you?
No, why?
This is a common decent thing to
Bro, I don't know how long my food will take.
No shame, no face. I'm so glad. Cameron, do you see that? KK.
Nemo.
Start eating already.
Oh, it's for water. Oh, it's for hands.
For the hands.
At least we did good. Take soup with this, and then take noodles and beef, and everything else with the other side.
Jeez. This is effort.
This is what? This is effort.
It's effort, so you want to be listening.
It's not like you take it like this and you drink the soup.
What do you
Use
mean?
both hands to eat.
Okay, yeah, but I'm trying to get like everything together. So you see like noodles, soup, this, right?
Do you?
And then
Eat it. No, 1, 2.
It's not bad, is it?
No.
See?
it kind of, to me, it reminds me of like a nice warm chicken soup. Well, it's not chicken, but
Okay, except
I was like,
beef.
girl. You know that I didn't have pho before? The first time I had it was when I was here.
Really?
No, I'm serious.
You really have fun?
Never had pho. Because it wasn't my vibe, and I said, on this trip I'm going to try new things. So I tried it.
very nice. Very warm and hearty.
Get some coriander in there, my god.
So good.
Why is that the squid? How spicy is it?
I don't know.
Nice.
I'm assuming.
And when you speak the word Vietnam, you may think that it's just one single word, but actually that's two separate words, Viet and Nam. And each word they have different meaning. Okay, so for the word Viet, in Vietnam we have 54 ethnic groups, and the Viet people is the most popular one, about 80% of the population. Yep, and I by myself here is a Viet people. So Viet stands for Viet ethnic group, and Nam and two meaning the south side or man. So Vietnam together mean the Vietnamese people in the south of Asia. Okay, and you see here the flag of Vietnam. You see the red color in the background and yellow star with 5 wings in the middle. So yep, with a color like this, it looks like the flag of communism. The flag of communism. Also the red color in the background and the yellow sickle and hammer in the middle. Because here in Vietnam we only have one party, and that is Communist Party. And we have capitalist market. And you know, with a system like that, it sounds like China's system. You know, the same one party, Communist Party, and capitalist market. But you know, actually, Vietnam's system is better because we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Gmail. Okay, just kidding about that. So back to the flag here. You see that with the color. So every single nation flag has meaning behind. So for the red color, it stands for blood, or the spirit of fighting, spirit for resistance. And the yellow star in the middle, so yellow, the skin color of Vietnamese. And the star represents for the wish of Vietnamese to be the shiny, it's beautiful, and the star in the sky. And the star here also have 5 wings. So each wings represent for different classes of Vietnamese society, the 5 more important classes. Okay, so the first wing on the top represents for the intellectual, like student, teacher, professor, scholar. They relate to education or technology. The second wing is for farmer. They relate to agriculture. The third one, worker, relate to industry. The fourth, trader, businessman, relate to business. And the last one, soldier, relate to military. So you see that 5 wings of the star represent for 5 different classes, also relate to 5 aspects of the nation: education, agriculture, industry, business, and military. So that's the meaning of the flag of Vietnam here. Okay, so right now we're gonna take around, I think, 30 to 40 minutes for us to.
Yeah. And the next step is like Excel. Yeah, follow me, please. This one is the Excel inlay. This one is the Excel natural white color. And this is a burnt Excel color. Burnt Excel color and natural white color. Sometimes they put the Excel powder on top of the paper. Yeah. But first they take the wood body like this and drop the glue inside.
It's maybe the night that my tears might let me know all the stars are ghost, all the stars are ghost, all the stars are ghost. Maybe the night that my tears might let me know all the stars are ghost, all the stars are ghost.
Peoples, good morning Vietnam! Good morning Vietnam! Comment in the comment section if you know where that's from. We're currently in Ho Chi Minh at the, it's like this museum art studio where they make things from eggshells, but I couldn't film inside. I got stopped, so you can't really see what it was, but it was pretty cool. They handmade everything. Whatever I could film, I did. So now we're gonna grab coffee, we're gonna chill for a bit, and then we're gonna head to the tunnels. So fun fact, KK and I, we've been talking about going to the tunnels for years.
For a long time.
Years. I think, was it This Is Us we were watching, or what was it that we were watching?
Probably.
This Is Us, and we're like, yo, we have to go to Vietnam.
Here we are.
Live. Those are moments.
Let me know all the stars are close, all the stars are close, all the stars are close.
French, and later the Vietnamese and the GI, US soldier. You can imagine that jungle here, we see used to camouflage, and below our feet, the little tunnel system, like the one over there. Okay, so now we wait for our turn. I will explain to you how the tunnel system look like. Okay, with a thing like that, we have a system here. So there are 3 levels. The first one around 3 meters, second around 6 meters, and last one 8 to 10 meters. And every level has different function. So the first level, 3 meters. This one is closest to the ground, so they make activity room on the first level. You see this one? The meeting bunker together, talk about strategy. And you see the whole system here. This is a kitchen system. They call it smokeless kitchen. So they got to hide away the smoke when they cook, because there used to be a lot of helicopter, the tank, and the GI that work around here. So to hide away the smoke, you see that they cook from here. And far away there's some small chamber connect to the cooking place to make the smoke more condensed. So that when the smoke get out from here, it's too heavy to fly up. So it stay on the ground like a mist. And on the top here, they need to water the top here because they camouflage with the leaf. So they need to water to make it not burn the leaf, and also to make the smoke down here become even heavier too. So that when the smoke go out, it's like the mist on the ground. Okay. And this one here, a resting bunker with a hammock in the middle. And this one is storage. And you see here, you see the entrance to get in the tunnel. Okay, and later we try this one here. And this one, a fighting bunker. Got the second level around 6 meters. Okay, and within this level there's a bunker like this. You see the triangle bunker. And you just want to hide away from the bomb because the triangle set is very good set to withstand collapse. And also 6 meters below this round, strong enough to withstand the bomb. Water well, something for them to drink. Okay, and see over here, there's a river. Like this river here, but the water from this river is not usable. It's well contaminated by bomb powder, Agent Orange, phosphorus bomb. Okay. Between the level, you have something like this, so these like caps. So when they're raining on the top, when the water gets in the tunnel, they close the caps. Got the final level around 10 meters. And with this level, it's too deep for the VC to dig. And that's why they have a short tunnel here. This one had the VC run away from the GI when the GI get into the tunnel. But you know, actually the GI was too big to get in the VC tunnel. Because the VC, they were tiny. They're just about 1.5 meters around my shoulder, around my armpit here, and 100 pounds, 45 kilograms. They were that small. And the system here designed for them, for the GI, too big to get in. And that's why they have a special soldier to go down here. And they were called tunnel rats. The tunnel rats, they were as small as a VC, and they were from South Korea, Thailand, Australia, New Zealand. And their mission, they by themselves need to get in the VC tunnel. With one flashlight, one handgun, they crawl in the VC tunnel. You can imagine that down here, very horrible, uncomfortable because hot, humid, not a lot of oxygen, no sunlight, insect, bug, mosquito, centipede, snake, spider, and down here the VC also have guns. And moreover, you can see something like this here, like this one here, and like this one's over here. Spy traps. The VC, they also make traps within the system to capture the tunnel rats. Down here, dangerous. Okay. So right now I'm gonna instruct the way how the VC get down here in camouflage, and later if you wanna do, you do the same, okay?
Okay.
Amen.
Okay. Your lead, Justin.
So yeah, we need to camouflage on the leave around. Need to really camouflage.
More leaf on the things.
Okay. Guys, right now, get down here. Okay. And you also need to cover the leaf on the cap to camouflage. Okay. Okay. And behind the cap, they're gonna be two handles. You hold that, hands up like this, and then you bend down. Okay. If your shoulder too wide, you can swing a little bit to get in. Okay. Yeah, and then get down now. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Where did he go? Oh, can't find him. Oh, there's Justino. Justin, where are you? Can your hair is down there? You good? Okay, you can come back. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try. I think I can do it. I think I'm gonna try. Like her of things.
Hold that. Hands up. Yeah, slowly get in. Look at the camera of a photo with the camera.
Where are you at? Yeah. Oh God, they caught you.
Oh.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, you're here, girl.
That's really cool.
Good job.
Good job, good job. Could be a
Anybody else?
Not in the plans.
There you go. I want to try it. But let's
Like these.
Okay. Ooh, she thick. Bye. Woo! Okay. Hands up.
I made it.
You did.
Yeah. So now the hard part.
You got it.
I can't come out.
No. The other way.
Here.
No. Okay. On the
Pull up,
side,
pull up.
And then one,
Damn, I
two,
think this
three.
was a hard part. What? Don't have your pants fall off. Don't use any muscles that you don't need to use. I'm crying.
Am I stuck?
No, you're good. You're coming. Your pants, just make sure you hold your pants so they don't fall out. Oh, Jesus.
With this one, when one fall down, the spice start inside the body. That's make a lot of wound. But the victim not die right away. And that is the purpose, to make wound. There's one man down, need two men to carry. To slow down the operation. Okay, next one. Big trap. Oh, sorry. I put this one inside the hole. Yeah. And you see, that one spine go up in the middle, and some more spines surround above. So when one step in, the foot gets stopped by the middle spine. If you try to remove the foot, the other spine gonna do the latch on. The other chop.
Yeah, no.
Okay, last one. The seesaw trap. See? Seesaw. Last one here. Okay, step out, please. You don't want to try this one. So this is a door trap. They hang this behind the door, and they have a rock at the bottom to make it fall even harder. So when GI bang the door, this one gonna fall.
Ah.
Yeah.
I just see a movie.
Careful, guys. There's another set of stairs down here.
Okay. I think the red person's at the front. Oh God, I can't see. Hold on, I need a light. Okay. Careful. Okay.
Y'all. No. So we did how many meters? 40. It's enough. Apparently it gets smaller. See? I ain't trying to be stuck again. In here. Wow. I mean, I know it. How cute. It's very nice. Is it cold? I don't know, but it's very nice. Another day.
How cute.
Another day, another fun. I just say another day, another fun. What? No. Another day. Another day, another fun. So we're in the Pink Church. It's more for us just to see it. Than for us to go inside. I don't think we can go inside, but it's very beautiful. Apparently it's one of the top tourist attraction sites in Ho Chi Minh. So we decided to just pass by, see what it looks like. It's very, very nice, very cutesy. So this is Alleluia, Alleluia. I know that's right. I know that's right. Only the highest praise.
And my orange and something else?
Yes, can I have the Oreo?
Oreo.
Yes, please.
Yeah. That's all?
Bubble waffles, yes. No, thank you.
Oreo.
Hitherto, fall in love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming. Love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming. Love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming of.
Craters in the wild.
But you've been afraid that it would not come true. In love too. While you've always had a dream, but you've been afraid that it would not come true.
You know, it looks like you would shoot a movie scene here.
Hitherto,
Give me the plot.
The plot is we are in Seattle.
that it's just what
And we're at a book fair, and you're about to meet the love of your life. And
that it's just what you've
scene.
been dreaming. Love and you will find that it's just what you've been dreaming.
Ridiculous. Goodbye.
You've always had a dream, but you've been afraid.
Y'all. So one thing about us, we
acting.
actually do like books for real. We're not just like pretending. Is this Neymar? It is Neymar.
Do you want me to draw you?
No, thank you.
Hello.
Hi. Should let them draw us. Todo pasa. You know what that means?
To the pass?
Todo pasa.
To the pass. All things in life.
No.
All, this too shall pass.
Yes.
So smart.
Well, everything passes, but you know what I mean. Same, but different coming. Nice out here. It's very calming, not any traffic, no sounds of the city. Feels like you're not even in Ho Chi Minh, but it's super cute. I mean, I think most of the places are closed. We came a bit late. It's now 5:35, so I think it closed early today. It was also raining, so But all in all, love what I'm seeing. Probably gonna buy a bookmark or something, just you know, to mark the day.
Lighting. So we're at the cafe apartments, or the apartments cafe, which is like one building in the middle of, it looks like newer buildings, but basically the history of this is that it was built originally as like residences, like apartment buildings, and then over the years it's kind of been like taken over by independent
retail shops.
Yeah, so there's like retail shops, there's food places, there's bars and stuff, so it's pretty cool.
Check it out!
And it's a tourist attraction. Everybody gotta come here apparently when we're here, so let's see if they right. Where's Pauline?
So it's a little bit dodge, must say, but sorry. Good. So if Chica says, Madam, you keep. That's what we're doing. Okay.
You open?
Hello. Oh, how cute. So it's filled. You can make all the notes. Good morning, Vietnam. Sweet. Thank you so much. Okay, beautiful.
I feel like we should try the coconut coffee first.
Okay.
Then the salt and the egg.
Okay then. Try. Ooh! So good. Your people. Coconut coffee. Yes, I'm not supposed to be drinking coffee, but we're on vacation. Thank you. We're on vacation. We pray to God. I hope for the best. It's right, nice, huh?
Okay, next.
That's a milkshake.
Alright, next. Y'all, so I forgot to take my tripod, so it's a bit ratch, but y'all getting the reaction, okay? Alright.
Salt coffee. That's the salt coffee.
Okay.
So first we gotta eat the foam.
I just love how you're in a social influencer bag today. I just love. We can't get Pauline because she's an artist.
Yeah, I'm not really a social media person like that. Social media is over.
Ooh. Wow.
Taking me back to the day.
It's strong.
Then
one more?
One more, and then we mix.
So, ooh, very salty. Like in your so. In your hair. It's very nice though.
Mix, mix, mix.
Right.
And
doing too much? Okay.
come on, 3 wasted.
Come on. Shimon, scoot on over now.
ooh, strong.
Ooh, love. I'm so happy that we came the time we came. Y'all, it's getting packed up in here. There's a lot of people. The other one of the guy. Ish, this is where it's at. We thought we did something last time. I mean, homeboy, wherever you are, we still respect you and appreciate you, but this. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one I'm a little nervous.
Oh, good. Okay, let's try the egg coffee now.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah, they do say they use the egg white.
It literally just tastes like foam.
I don't taste like no egg.
Oh, to be fair, to be fair, when you beat egg whites, that's how you make the stiff peaks of like desserts. When you beat the egg whites with sugar.
Alright. Yeah, so far, salt coffee.
Salt coffee's big.
Salt coffee is that person. Yeah. Alright, mix, mix. Thanks, but no thanks. So it's it's a salt coffee. Like, is it that bad? You couldn't wait. Anyways, y'all, a little bit of.
Oh right, okay.
All right, fam. I just given the taste test. I'm a dip. See you in the next location, or see you. Oh, we should definitely write on things. But for now.
You're anything with what it says?
Huh?
Love God. Love deeply. Live freely.
There you go. And then I'm gonna put this close. Don't know if you have to pick up the massive.
You're gonna be cutting and cropping all this, right?
Wow, Vietnam. Love and respect from Jamaica. I don't know. Small promo. Just in case.
To my